Hello everyone, my name is Justice and today I'm going to be doing a quick walk around of this Rolls Royce Cullinan, and I'll be showing you around the exterior. This is what the front of the Cullinan is like. Now this Cullinan is the most expensive full-size luxury SUV that you can buy, and here we have the beautiful headlights and the massive Rolls Royce grille. And you come around here, this has like 3 headlights, the big one, the 2 small one, and you come on the side and you have the Rolls Royce logo middle of the tire, so when the tire moves, this one, it doesn't like rotate, which is amazing. And if you look inside, you will see the massive brake calipers and the rotors, and I think these are 22-inch tires. And when you come to the side, you see the Rolls Royce logo here, and this chrome accent that is sticking up beautiful. And here you have the doors, and one thing when you come to the front that you will notice is that down there you have that for the adaptive cruise control. Hi, how are you?
Excellent. How are you today, sir?
I'm doing great. And this Rolls Royce Cullinan starts at about $330,000, and this massive SUV is hand built in London. So there is no part of this Rolls Royce that is made with a machine, maybe just the body, but every little piece is made with hand, making it a very expensive SUV to buy. So the base price starts at $330,000, but this goes even up to $1 million, especially if you have the money to put into this SUV. So the customization of this SUV is endless, but the base price starts about $330,000. Now, if you're wondering what engine powers this massive SUV, it has a 6.8 liter V12 engine that produces about 563 horsepower, making it a very fast car. And as you can see the massive grille, and there, that is where the spirit of ecstasy usually pops out of when you start your Rolls Royce. And if you look down there, there is a camera right there, and you come around, you have, I think these are 22-inch tires. Let me take you to the back and show you. And these doors, when they open sideways. And this is what the back of the Cullinan is like. Now this Cullinan actually have quad exhaust. You can see 2 exhausts on the side, and here you have 2 exhausts too. Now, some of my best features of this Rolls Royce Cullinan is the lights. I love how the lights look. And I love the chrome accent that is wrapped around the whole car. I won't be able to show you the inside right now because it's locked and it's outside. Yeah, this has some really, really beautiful LED lights. Yeah, so what you can do to to your Rolls Royce is endless. There is no limit to what you can do if you decide to buy a Rolls Royce, which is very, very impressive. And this is why the Rolls Royce has remained the number one brand in the whole world. So yeah, what do you think about this Rolls Royce? Please, I want you to leave your comment in the comment section. Press the bell notification icon if you're new, and don't forget to subscribe so that when I post more videos like this, you will be among the first to see my videos.